In question number 4c, this diagram is given in triangle ABC, BD equal to AD and AC equal to DC, and angle ABD is equal to 37 degree. We are asked to find out the angles of this triangle. So first of all, we are seeing these two sides are equal, BD equal to AD, therefore this angle ABD will be equal to angle BAD. This is 37 degree, so this will also be 37 degree. For that I have written here angle ABD equal to angle BAD equal to 37 degree. This angle equal to this angle. Why? Because BD equal to AD, because these two sides are equal. So this angle we can find because the sum of these three angles will be equal to 180 degree. So this angle equal to 180 degree minus this plus this, 37 plus 37. I have written the reason in the bracket, the sum of angles of the triangle. So this calculation became 106 degree. Now ADC, if this is 106 degree, this will be 180 minus 106. That I have written here, angle ADC equal to 180 minus 106. Why? Because this is a straight angle and a straight angle is equal to 180 degree. This much is 180 degree. So this much equal to 180 minus this angle. So 180 degree minus 106 degree equal to 74 degree. Now angle, these two sides are equal, therefore this angle and this angle, these two angles will be equal. Therefore I wrote here angle ADC equal to angle DAC equal to 74 degree, because CD equal to AC. So we can find out this angle equal to 180 minus this angle plus this angle. So 180 degree minus 74 plus 74 degree. So this became 180 degree minus 148 degree. Reason I have written in the bracket the sum of angles. So this subtraction became 32 degree. Now the angles of the triangle, first is BAD, that is 37 degree. Second is BAC, this angle. So 37 plus 74 equal to 111 degree. And third is angle ACD, this angle, that is 32 degree. These are the angles of this triangle. In this question number 6 of exercise 9, this is the figure in which PQ equal to PR. It means triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle, and OQ and OR are bisectors of these two angles, angle Q and angle R. So we are asked to prove PO is the bisector of angle QPR. Proof. First of all, we will equate these two sides are equal, OQ and OR. For that I have written here, since PQ equal to PR, that is given in the question, therefore angle PQR equal to angle PRQ from isosceles property. We divide both sides by 2. Half of angle PQR will be equal to half of angle PRQ, and I wrote half of angle PQR as OQR. Half of angle PQR is OQR and half of angle PRQ is ORQ. So OQR and ORQ will also be equal. OQR equal to ORQ. From isosceles property we can say therefore OQ equal to OR. Now in triangle OPQ and triangle OPR, in these two triangles, we'll prove these two triangles are congruent. Then applying CPCT we can say these two angles are equal. So PO bisects angle QPR. To prove these two triangles are congruent, first condition I have written PQ equal to PR given in the question. Second condition, OP is the common side. And third condition, OQ equal to OR. That is proved above. Therefore, triangle OPQ is congruent to triangle OPR. So from CPCT we can say angle OPQ equal to angle OPR. Therefore, PO bisects angle QPR, proved. In question number 10, this figure is given in which ABC is an isosceles triangle where AB equal to AC, and both triangles are based on this common base, that is BC, and in this BD equal to BC given, and BDC is also given, that is 70 degree, and this BC is the bisector of angle ABD. So at first I wrote the given informations. AB equal to AC given in the question. Since BC is the bisector of angle ABD or angle B, BC is the bisector of angle B, therefore angle ABC is equal to angle DBC. Angle ABC equal to angle DBC. And BDC is 70 degree. Then we are asked to find angle DBC, this angle DBC and angle BAC. So at first in triangle DBC, BC equal to BD, therefore angle BDC equal to angle BCD, angle DBC this will be, sorry, here we have to write angle BDC, angle BDC equal to angle DCB or BCD, that is 70 degree. Therefore angle DBC equal to 180 minus 70 plus 70, because the sum of angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. This became 180 minus 70 plus 70, 140. So 180 minus 140 equal to 40 degree. Now DBC that was asked to find, I got 40 degree. Now ABC, angle ABC equal to angle DBC. Angle ABC equal to angle DBC, because this is the bisector, so these two angles will be equal, and that became equal to 40 degree. And now we are saying AB equal to AC, so this angle will be equal to this angle, so angle ABC equal to angle ACB equal to 40 degree. Angle DBC equal to angle ACB equal to 40 degree, because AB equal to AC. So third angle, angle BAC equal to 180 minus 40 plus 40 equal to 180 minus 80 equal to 100 degree. So these two became the answers. Those were asked in question to find. Angle DBC equal to 40 degree and angle BAC equal to 100 degree. This became the answer. In question number 14, this figure is given in which PQ equal to PR, because PQR is an isosceles triangle, and PS equal to PT. These two informations are given and we are asked to prove TQ equal to SR. So TQ will be equal to SR if these two triangles, triangle PQT and PRS, these two triangles are congruent. So let us prove these two triangles are congruent. In triangle PQT and triangle PRS, the first given information is PQ equal to PR, given angle QPT equal to angle RPS, vertically opposite angles, and third condition PT equal to PS, that is also given in the question. Therefore triangle PQT is congruent to triangle PRS from SAS criterion of congruency. So we can say TQ equal to SR, those are the corresponding sides of these two triangles. These two will also be equal from CPCT, that was asked to prove. In question number 18, this is the figure in which AY is bisector of angle XYZ and AZ is bisector of angle XZY. So I wrote here angle XYA equal to angle AYZ, because this is the bisector. XYA equal to angle AYZ. Similarly, XZA equal to angle AZY, XZA equal to angle AZY, and BD, this line is the perpendicular bisector of AY, and this line is perpendicular bisector of AZ. So I wrote here BD is perpendicular bisector of AY and CE is perpendicular bisector of AZ. Since BD is perpendicular bisector, so I wrote here BD is perpendicular to AY and AD is equal to YD. AD equal to YD. Perpendicular 90 degree bisector, this part and this part, these two will be equal. Similarly, CE is the perpendicular bisector of AZ, therefore CE is perpendicular to AZ and AE is equal to ZE. This much is given informations, and we are asked to prove YZ, this YZ is equal to the perimeter of triangle ABC. So in proof, at first I proved triangle ABD. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle YBD. For that we have three conditions. AD equal to YD, this is given from given information, I wrote here given, and angle BDA equal to angle BDY equal to 90 degree, this is also given. This two is because DB is the perpendicular and bisector, perpendicular to AY and bisector of AY. And third condition, that BD is common side, because this BD lies in both the triangles, in triangle ABD and triangle YBD. So BD became the common side. So we have three conditions to say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle YBD. From which criterion? This criterion is SAS. So using CPCT we can say, YB equal to AB. Similarly, in these two triangles are also congruent. Triangle ACE and triangle ZCE, these two triangles are also congruent. So similarly we can say ZC equal to AC, I wrote. Now YZ equal to YB plus BC plus CZ. YZ equal to YB plus BC plus ZC. YB is equal to AB. Here I wrote AB at this BC, and at the place of ZC I wrote AC. YB plus BC plus AC, AB plus BC plus AC, that will give you the perimeter of triangle ABC. So at last I wrote, therefore YZ is equal to the perimeter of triangle ABC, proved. In this question number 21, given informations are angle PQS equal to angle RQS. These two angles are equal. PQS equal to RQS. And PS is perpendicular to PR. It means angle QSP or PSQ equal to angle RSQ, that is equal to 90 degree. PQ equal to 3x plus 1. QR equal to 5y minus 2 and PS equal to x plus 1, SR equal to y plus 2. We are asked to find out the value of x and y. So in triangle PQS and RQS, in these two triangles, we shall prove these two triangles are congruent. So the first condition, angle PSQ equal to angle RSQ equal to 90 degree, because QS is perpendicular to PR. And QS is common side that lies in both the triangles. Then Roman number 3, angle PQS equal to angle RQS given. Therefore triangle PQS is congruent to triangle RQS from ASA property, ASA criterion of congruency. So from CPCT we can write PQ equal to QR. These two sides became equal from CPCT. These two are the values, and from there I got one equation. 3x minus 5y equal to minus 2 minus 1 equal to minus 3. Equation number 1. Similarly, PS is equal to RS. These two sides are also equal from CPCT. These two are corresponding sides of those two congruent triangles. And the values are x plus 1 is equal to y plus 2. From there I got one equation, x minus y equal to 1. X minus y equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So this became equation number 2. To equate the coefficient, I multiplied this equation by 5. If I multiply this equation by 5, then the coefficient of y will be equal. So in this way I got 5x minus 5y equal to 5 into 1, 5. And this equation is 3x minus 5y equal to minus 3. So I subtracted this equation from this equation. So these signs will change. Here is plus, there will be minus. Here is minus, there will be plus. Here is minus, there will be plus. So minus plus cancelled. These two, 5 minus 3x 2x equal to 5 plus 3 8. So x equal to 4. And now I kept this value of x in this equation to get the value of y. So y equal to x minus 1. Y will go that side plus y. So y equal to 1 will come this side, x minus 1. Y equal to x minus 1 means y equal to 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So x equal to 4 and y equal to 3. These two are the answers of this question. X equal to 4 and y equal to 3. In question number 25, this is the given figure in which AB equal to AC. These two sides are equal. It means ABC is an isosceles triangle, that is given in the question. And PAC equal to PAC, this much equal to 110 degree. We are asked to find out the base angles of this triangle, I mean angle ABC and angle ACB, and the vertex angle, I mean angle BAC. These three angles are asked to find. So in quadrilateral PACQ, in quadrilateral PACQ, the sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. It means 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 110 degree plus angle ACQ, I repeat, 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 110 degree plus angle ACQ equal to 360 degree. So this sum became 290 degree plus ACQ equal to 360 degree. So angle ACQ equal to 360 degree minus 290 degree. Therefore angle ACQ equal to 70 degree. Now in triangle ABC we have AB equal to AC. Therefore angle ACQ in this step angle ACQ we can write as angle ACB. So these two, angle ACQ will be written as angle ACB. Now we say since AB equal to AC, therefore angle ACB equal to angle ABC, that is equal to 70 degree. Reason is since AB equal to AC, therefore this angle BAC equal to 180 minus 70 plus 7, 180 minus 70 plus 70, 180 minus 70 plus 70, because the sum of angles of a triangle, here we can write the reason. The sum of angles of a triangle, 180 minus 140 equal to 40 degree. So the base angles equal to 70 degree and the vertex angle equal to 40 degree. These two are the answers.